Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a salad with some aubergine. It's very easy to make and super delicious. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need 2 aubergines and let's bake them in 120 degrees Celsius for about 30 or 40 minutes. Meanwhile, let's chop some onions. I'm using only one and I'm cutting it this way. Some salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Then add 1 glass of hot water and mix it. And let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes. Let's cut 2 tomatoes in big slices. Then I take out the insides and cut them into small pieces. 2 hard-boiled eggs that I cut in small pieces, and 1 not big apple, which I take out the seeds first, and then I peel them and cut them into small pieces as the rest of the ingredients. Now let's add all the ingredients, but first of all let's add the apples with the apple cider vinegar and mix it very well. When the aubergines are done, poke them to see when they're done and let them cool down. After that, let's take out the peel. And cut them into small pieces. Now, let's add all the ingredients in the bowl. The aubergines, the tomatoes, the eggs, the apples, and the onions. Add some salt, some pepper, then add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Also, you can add mayonnaise, and this is it. You can plate them and start eating. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.